Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to craft a fence in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is simply you're going to start getting some wood, and you can approach any tree, and then from there you're going to create any log that you would like, and so you're going to mine it. Now from here, after you do that, you're going to have enough wood so that you can create a workbench. And then from the workbench you're going to go over and follow the steps. So now that we have our first work tree, now we're going to just go back to our tables. And now from here, all you have to do is to click on your inventory and then create your first workbench and then place it wherever you want. Once you have your first workbench, you're going to have right here, interact with it. Then it will show you to the furnace section right here. And now as you can see for the crafting, you can just simply click on the builder's workbench, which you can create from 6 tree logs and then any stones. And then once you make it, you can place it down. Finally, all you have to do is to click on it. And now from here, you can place any of the logs that you just collected and put it right here in the input. And now as you can see, there are simple things that you can create, such as fences or windows, or most importantly, any windows that you would like. So hardware fence, you can just click on craft, and there you go. Now you have a fence in your inventory, and you can just right click and then place it wherever you want. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.